This is the new car. Adam, holy shit, that light is bright. Good light though.
Yeah?
Good light though. Good light. Good night. Yeah, it's been a week since we chopped that thing that I end up losing. But yeah, I just realised that it's not going to work because like I need to put where's the camera? I need to put an extra bend in it because what I was trying to do, I can't even get my hand in there, man. Is do it like that, but you can just pull it out. You probably can't pull it out. It'll probably work. But enough of that. Gotta get this aerial out. Let's put in the manual on after I decide to bend it. Adam, do you want to try and bend it some more? Let's see. Just don't cut yourself, please. Yes! Alright, that's enough. You're gonna hurt yourself. Bruh. What we gotta do... I found a plug that we got to disconnect for the aerial. We've got a 10mm here. Adam.
You told me to break it.
Yes! Shortened aerial. How to 101.
Set Adam on
it. But yeah, this should come out easy. And then we got this top bit, yeah? Like, these two holes, there's usually a tool for it, but you can shove, like, long nose pliers in it. Twist it that way, that pops off, that's threaded on, and then this little rubber bit pops off as well. And then we can put the new shortened one on, and that's another step ahead for Project Driveway. So let's get started. Oh, and something else Adam found last week that I just remembered.
Oh, yeah.
The third light. What do you mean, oh yeah? You didn't know what I was talking about.
No, as soon as you said it, I found it, I was like...
Really?
I found it.
Yeah, he did. So, like, the third light was never working, and I couldn't find a globe for it, so I didn't worry about it. And then Adam goes, hey, Joe, your light's not working? I'm like, yeah, why? He's like, because someone cut it. There's, like, that's the end of the wire there. And I'm like, oh, that's why it doesn't work, because someone chopped it. It's so far in the boot, like, I can barely reach it. That's one.
Nope, screwdriver's still too big. Have you got a tiny ass Allen key? It'll snap a tiny ass Allen key, won't it?
I don't know. I don't really need this.
Oh.
That could have ended so bad.
Oh yeah.
And the paint.
Oh yeah. Again.
Bruh, I could have lost my finger, man.
I don't care. This quarter is getting abused by you. God. And it's such a beautiful quarter. There's no paint problems
at all.
Where?
A lot easier.
How that worked?
Big brain hours. Cut, god damn it.
I guess I better go home because it's big brain hours.
Be gone. Thought.
I told you like 5 minutes ago I could have done it with my hands.
No, you couldn't have.
No, I couldn't have. But now we have a stub. Ah, look, see? We're changing it to a short aerial. It's now a short aerial. Alright, thank you for watching the video. No, I'm just kidding.
Adam, it's working. Oh, it's not working.
It's working good.
Adam, it's working.
This quarter is just flexing.
I'm trying to get the fucking aerial off.
I can see that.
No, you can't. You're legally blind.
I'm legally blind. Oh, it's shiny.
Ah!
Oh, now it's scared. Look, here it goes. Look, watch.
Oh, it hurt my fucking ears,
It wasn't that scary.
Oh.
I swear, we use this every video now.
The fucking, yeah.
See, who needs the tool? We'll just use a whole goddamn toolbox instead. Hey, have we thrown the toolbox at it yet?
Oh, no, we haven't.
Let's just beat it with the toolbox. I got it. I can hit it. No, just kidding. Go Super Saiyan on it. He's over 9,000.
Clamp it.
My God.
Let's just beat up the Miata while we're here.
Oh,
Stop it. Yeah. Oh, he just gets it.
see, it's got the thread in there. Oh, it fell out. It's got the thread in there. It's got rubber in there too, apparently. Yeah. Get the fuck out of here. Get there. Oh, we're still connected. Hold up, boys. Fixed it. Why does it look like a heart? Like this. Does it look like a heart? No, it doesn't. Now I've got to remember where I've put the other aerial.
I was about to ask where is the other one, but I thought I better not.
We'll be back.
You've been chewing on the end of it.
No, I didn't do
A
that.
puppy?
Yeah, I think so. Chewed on it. Oh well.
Oh well.
Shortened. It's just this. This comes off too. You can change this. You got it? Yep. No, I need that.
Oh. You said you changed.
Yeah, I don't have another one. Can you like put it back on? Whoa! Whoa. Cool. Alright, so like that compared to that. Good work, Adam.
Like weight reduction too.
Yeah, alright, let's put it in. I need that. No! Pretty easy. You got this nut on the bottom. Goes boop. There, that's it. That's how you put it on. Like this. Oh, that fucking O-ring fell off. Oh my god, I can't get in there.
So we're having trouble tightening it up because you can't get anything in there to tighten it.
I'm trying my best.
But he's trying. I think he's using multi-grip. Is that what you're using?
Yeah, it's a little bit loose still though.
It is still a bit loose.
It's not moving. I think it's tight. Except for that.
That's meant to, so.
Yeah. Cool.
Cool.
It's kind of a bit on the piss, but oh well. What if we just do it? Oh, it still moves apparently. Alright, so it's in there kind of tight. I'm not going to play with it in case it loosens. But I went to go connect it and it's the wrong connection anyway. But oh well, doesn't matter. It's what I needed is a working antenna. So that's good for now. New carpet from Pick Apart hides all this. Alright, so as you've seen, that's the new little bit of carpet that I didn't have, and the red painted cover behind it, which you're not going to see anymore. One of these are the old one. No, that's the new one. The old one's over here. So Callum's here to help out. If you want to stand, like you're going to be blinded for a sec.
Alright,
but that's the old mouldy carpet.
Ew, why am I touching this?
Yeah, don't touch it. Put it down.
Yeah, okay.
And this is the new non-mouldy carpet with it's got an extra section.
Yeah, this thing's like tearing and stuff.
Yeah, and this one's got like clips for some reason. That one doesn't have clips.
Oh. NB?
No, you know.
Oh.
But yeah, it's just in. Oh, look at that! It's a little battery.
Battery nook.
There's all dust over the fucking screen. And then I've got to take this thing back out and we put it on top. It's a little bit itchy, isn't it?
Yeah, just a touch.
It looks so much cleaner, wow, with the black carpet. Holy crap. Cameron, look.
I kind of miss the red, to be honest.
Yeah, I miss the
All that
red.
work and it's like,
I know, huh?
bye.
You can't see any of it.
Bye.
All you see is just the shitty pink.
You witnessing this? It's in its home. Oh,
Good work,
it's in
congratulations.
its home. You can't get mad at me. Send it. It's just like, that's just play down now.
Boot, done. Move your hand.
You wouldn't.
I did.
Wow, that
I-
is so heavy. Oh my god. So that's where structural rigidity is. What's next? Sick wing, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Should we have it tilted back a bit?
Yeah, nah, forward like this.
Oh, full.
Like, roof rack.
Oh yeah, roof rack on the boot, like. You wouldn't do that at 80 k's an hour. Fuck that, bro.
Alright, tops down, this bar. So we worked out, this is where, underneath here is a thread for the bolt to go through here, yeah? Which I don't have the hole. Same on that side, so it goes like, goes like that. So, we've got to make a hole in here to get to those threads. Just drill bit in it. Bruh. Demonetized. But yeah. Let's just drill some holes.
I'll mark it out for you.
Thanks. Thanks, bro.
Helping.
Helping.
Yeah, right. What are you measuring?
The hole. Found it. Yeah, fucking oath, mate. And there's the
Perfect.
hole.
Hey?
Found the hole.
Oh, sick. Alright, let's do the same on the other side.
So,
But when you're braking, you won't be pulling on the Oh, no, look.
you comfy?
Not really. My arm is legitimately stuck against the door.
But we're good.
I think my head sits at like the same level as the. Am I legitimately the same level? I feel like I'm at the same
Oh,
level.
like, you're in the millimeters.
Hey!
Hey,
Get a phone!
look ahead of you. Just look in front. Just
Yeah.
like you're driving. Oh, you're blinded.
Legitimately just got straight down the hood. That is great.
I also got these bolts when I got the
What are they?
bolts.
Oh, they're for you.
Hopefully.
Well, you got in more than one thread, so I'm going to say yes.
Yeah.
Ooh, tight.
Yeah. That one?
By the way, I'm not sitting here because I want to. I'm sitting here because I'm stuck.
Oh, okay. You can stay there. Press the button. You know you want to. Not that one, you fuck.
There we go.
How many ooga doogas in this bitch?
Like 50.
That's 50. It's in!
That's like legit just tires. Like suspension.
Oh, there's a little bit of chassis flex in it. I'm fat enough to chassis flex a fucking MX-5.
But hey, yeah.
Voila.
It's heavy, I can't do it.
Give. Big flex, big flex.
Yep. Beautiful.
Just like a bought one. And my head doesn't.
You can't even see it through there. And then, yeah, it's back there.
Like, can we get around the fact that I have like a hand of clearance? If I was any more.
Consider the mod 1 out of 10. Good mod?
Oh fuck yeah. Oh well, I mean, I suppose it will be a good mod.
Well, it was a good mod because you could sit in the car the whole time and not do anything. So good mod, true.
10 out of 10 mod for me. Can we just get
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Don't die, bro.
I got a machete. Everyone else has guns.
Bro.
Help.
What?
This kid, he just sits there and plays video games all fucking day long. Fucking millennial.
Sorry, Mum.
You're breaking this family apart.
Oi, Forrester, Slam.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
But that's it anyway for this episode of Project Driveway. Thank you for watching this mumbo jumbo episode. And the Miata. But if you did like this episode, leave a like. If you want some more, subscribe and comment on how we did. We've got the giveaway going. Go check that out too. If you don't know what I'm talking about, head over to our Facebook page and you'll see. Yeah, my arms are kind of dead, and this heat is burning me.
Oh! Oh, I'm sorry, people.
Can you even see me with that behind me?
I see you perfectly fine. It looks like you're glowing. You're like shiny. Okay, Jesus, calm down.
See ya.